Hello everyone, today I'm here to talk about the energy usage database project. I'm the project manager for this project and I'll be handling the delivery of the related items. And so first of all, I'll begin with the project description. PG&E is replacing its old antiquated customer service and billing portal, which is based on Oracle Forms, with a new portal. New portal includes all the interfaces and is more aligned to company's current and future needs. The transformation involves creation of a new database. Energy usage database will process the daily generated customer data, store, process, and deliver it to the various interfaces to be used by companies, employees, and customers. Hello, everyone. Today we are meeting to discuss the kickoff of the energy usage database project. I am the project manager for this project, and let's begin the presentation. PG&E, as you all know, PG&E is replacing its old antiquated customer service and billing portal, which was based on Oracle Forms, with the new portal based on SAP. The new portal includes all the interfaces and is more aligned to company's current and future needs. The transformation involves creation of the new database. Energy usage database will process the daily generated customer data, store, process, and deliver it to the various interfaces to be used by companies, employees, and customers. Now, uh, who are the project's clients? Following interfaces will be using data from energy usage database, um, and thus we will be catering to all the data related needs, which include providing the data, which include providing the daily data to these interfaces. So there are basically our clients are divided into two types of interfaces: electric interface and gas interface. Electric interface comprises of residential customer website, outage action team, and gas interface comprises of customer support energy group, new account establishment website, industrial customer website, and bill analyzer. Stakeholders. So, Director of Information Technology is directly involved in this project. Manager of IT, project manager, me, delivery lead, developers, business analysts, architects. Uh, so these are the people from who will be involved from our team directly. Other stakeholders are the interface owners. Basically, the business owners from each interface phase have a high stake in this project, as their day-to-day activities will depend on the data that is received from our system. We are providing them with the daily customer data as well as processing the data which will cater to their specific needs. Um, Project state. As you all know, this is the kickoff meeting for the development of this project. However, this project, um, a lot of activities have or a lot of activities related to gathering of the business requirements as well as creation of architecture design have been accomplished. The project is already approved by the management. Architectural design is submitted and ready for use by the development team. Business requirements are created for each interface. Project plan and schedule is ready. Project resources are allocated. Tasks for each resource are created in Microsoft Project. Work items are also created for each task and assigned to relevant resources. Project deliverables and timelines for electric interfaces. Development for electric interfaces begins on February 15, 2016, and the development team works on developing the system for 1.5 months, and their development is due to finish on April 30. Since this project is a very high visibility project, it's important to meet the deadlines as they have been written in the project plan. String testing for electric interfaces initiates after 4:30, that is on May 1, and finishes on April 15. Here a large portion is given to string testing because this is an important piece and directly affects our customer. So thus it is the rigorous rounds of the string testing will be performed to make sure the integrity of the data. Product testing for electric interfaces completes on June 10, and UAT begins immediately after that, and ends on June 3, 2016. The electric interfaces will be delivered on July 10, 2016, and that's the time when it will actually start running in production. Project deliverables and timelines for gas interfaces. Gas in the development for the gas interface does not start right now, as the resources will be busy um, working on electric interfaces. The development is supposed to start on March 31. Development completes on June 15. String testing for gas interface will begin immediately after that and will be done by June 10. Product testing starts after that and finishes on August 12. UAT completes by August 25. The delivery for the electric interface is to be done by September 1. Roles. Now we in this meeting it's important to discuss the roles of each of the individuals involved in the project so that the project moves smoothly. Here, the IT manager Mike Usher will be directly overseeing the project activities and will help the team whenever any needs arise. I'm the project manager and will be handling any day-to-day activities. Uh, Supervisor Eileen Fisher will be um, will be there when to help with any issues that developers go through. Architect will be there to answer any questions related to the system architecture that is developed and will be there to help the team whenever needed. Development lead Srinath Sahu will directly work with the developers um, and will work on the day-to-day issues the development team faces during the development. Delivery lead will work with the manager and the development lead um, to make sure the deadlines are met. System developers Pooja, Sadhu, Casey White, and Annie Chow are the developers who have good hold on this technology and are valuable resources who will be working on the development. Business analyst Jennifer Kirby will be there to answer any questions related to the requirements, work on the scope changes. QA analyst John Nelson will play a major role during product development. Assignment. So as hinted in the earlier slide, Pooja will be responsible for database development as she has worked on many database development projects earlier. Casey White will work on ETL batch jobs. Annie Chow will create views and procedures. Jennifer Kirby will document web interface field requirements and coordinate it with the electric and gas interfaces. John Nelson will be responsible for product testing. Anderson Cooper will ensure tasks are completed on time and document and assign scope changes, create work items. And development lead will handle development issues, assign tasks and techniques. So now it's important to be aware of all the tools and resources that are going to be used during this process, this project, as we want to make sure there is consistency in the tools that are used, so that there is no confusion regarding um, regarding the storage of the documents and the day-to-day implementation of the system. HP Quality Center requirements are housed there and work items are created and stored. Tool. Developers will use it for creating procedures. SharePoint. All the documents are stored on SharePoint under Energy Usage Database folder. DB Visualizer. Developers use it for creating SQL views. Documentum. Project impact analysis and architecture design is stored under Energy Usage Database Impact Analysis and Energy Usage Database slash architecture folder. Database Pro will again be used by database developers to create batch procedures. Microsoft Project hosts the project plan and will give you an idea of your future tasks. Timesheet Pro login time for each task under the energy usage database project. Lotus Notes it's going to be used for email exchange. CP data services developer use it to create ETL batch jobs. So now, since we have already discussed about the deliverables and the roles and responsibilities of the people in the team, now I want to set some expectations for this project, since this project is a high visibility and a very important project for the organization. So core hours are 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. That means that all the employees have to be here in the office in the from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and they have to spend a minimum of 8 hours. They can choose to come early and leave at 3, or they can come at 9, or they can come at 9 and finish their 8 hours. Any vacation requests, please make sure you plan in advance and let and tell your supervisor and the manager, because vacation will directly affect the project. Uh, if we know about the vacation in advance, then we can allocate different resources, but last minute vacations are not recommended. Um, and since this is a big project, a single person cannot do all the tasks. Thus, teamwork and collaboration is very important. Good work will be awarded, so and will not go unnoticed. I want the team to follow the processes, like I want to set standards of peer review where the code after the development will be reviewed by the architects and the development leads. Um, every piece of code will be reviewed by uh, one um, one peer developer and one development lead before it is deployed into any development environment. Um, and now I would like you all to introduce yourself, and tell us your name and any interesting thing that you want to share about yourself. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Uh, and thank you very much. Comments, questions, and suggestions.